Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then open Microsoft Store. And inside this, search here Adobe Acrobat Pro. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud is showing. Now install this and open this. So after opening, on the home page, here you can see a search bar. Search here Adobe Acrobat Pro. So here you can see Adobe Acrobat is showing. Now click on this launch. So here you can see Adobe Acrobat Pro is launching. So this is how you can use Adobe Acrobat Pro absolutely for free. You can edit your text and images and PDFs from here. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.